atik, y'all. Ah! I'm telling. This guy, blah, 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 blah.
So pause, we're in KC and you're thinking about Burger King. This one you know here? No, another. Why did that one? Burger King right next to KC.
You asked me to take you out some food, but yet you won't stop playing in my hair.
I can't stop. Why? Why you want me to stop?
Nah.
Hey, Nisha, stop fuck yourself with me.
Way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, cut it.
Oh. Fuck.
Let me be friends.
Be my gosh.
We just want one selfie.
Gosh. Attempt
To always go.
to oil. What is fun now?
You can use that or use your finger. But usually, just, or if you want to do them back. Or you can, no, second one in here. It just has to be perfect. The fur on the chicken, it just turned me on. The feather, the feather. No smiles from Ziggy Bear. Oh.
Is that my voice? Is that my voice?
Panda, panda, panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van.
Kill me, Miss Teacher, bitch. Can I use the bathroom?
I don't know, can you?
Bitch, I will shit on.
Hey, sexy ass. Want a popsicle?
That's right. I'm your.
4, 3, 2, 1. Wiggle,